Hi friends, this is Beats for Homeo. In this video, we are going to learn the acid group in homeopathy. By complete watching of this video, we can easily remember the acid group, mentals and physical characteristics symptoms. Generally, the acids are derived from the main source, from the mineral kingdom and from the vegetable kingdom. Mostly the acids are derived from the mineral kingdom. The mineral kingdom acids are inorganic acids, and from the vegetable kingdom acids are organic acids. The inorganic acids are the strong acids, and the organic acids are the weak acids. The strong acids acts as acute and rapid action producing under deep pathology, at the same as in the organic acids, but there is a slow and progressive action on deep pathology. Remember the examples under the strong and inorganic acids and mineral kingdom are boric acid and fluoric acid and phosphoric and muriatic acid and nitric and sulfuric acid. And coming to the vegetable kingdom, the organic acids are acetic acid, carbolic acid, citric acid and picric acid, lactic acid and oxalic acid, and uric acid and benzoic acid. These are the few examples for the inorganic acids and organic acids in the acid group. If you are watching my videos for the first time or haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and support. Coming to the characteristic mental symptoms of the acid group in homeopathy, just remember the word exhaustion. It is also a characteristic symptom of the acid group. E and X for exhaustion. They are E for egoistic, they behave foolishly. If a situation is going, they behave totally wrong to the situation, and they laugh at the serious matters and become serious at the laughable matters. And E for extrovert, they talk openly and easily, but they are introvert and involved in the antisocial activities. And H for hurriedness, they are doing overactive when they are doing their works and they want to do a lot. A for aggressiveness, they show the aggressiveness by has beating. Aversion to the company, they do not like any companies, they do not like participate any enjoyable events like exciting moments, and they become angry when they are in upset mood. And next for U replace as a W. Weak of memory, lack of confidence and weary of life like jealousy, suspicious, malicious, lactosity is the key symptoms of the acids. And T for time, disorientation of time, space, INT, sometimes forgets his own relatives. And I for industrious, they always want to do something, some work. If they do not so or simply sit, the complaints aggravate by thinking of it. And I for impulsive, they are violent, impulsive, and they feel that they are under the supernatural powers, always having the evil thoughts. And O for the obstinate and develop the obsessive compulsive neurosis. N for the nymphomania. Nymphomania means constantly thinking about the sex and expose of genitals and want to be nude and more sexual desires and lascivious mania and nymphomania. With this word exhaustion, we can remember the characteristic mental symptoms of the acid group. The characteristics mentals and the physical characteristics of Opedia group has already uploaded in this channel. If you haven't watched it, please check. Then coming to the physical symptoms of the acid group, just remember the word debility. DEBILITY. D for the discharges. Discharges in the acid groups are watery, and acid group means acidic and sour and stained with blood and offensive, soapy, thicky, stingy alkaline secretion, oversensitive to external stimuli. And E for the extreme weakness. Debility at the physical and mental level due to the extreme weakness due to the hemorrhage, dissection of the tissues, ulcers, septicemia, deep acting and polygastric remedies. And coming to the burning pain in organs, chest, urethra due to the nerve irritation. Symptoms appear and disappear suddenly. And coming to the I for the indolent, laziness is the main feature. And the L for the loss of vital fluids, trembling and shivering and debility after the loss of the vital fluids like diarrhea, vomiting, seminal emissions, lactation and profuse sweating, etc. And coming to the another I for indifference is also main characteristic feature. And T for the tongue, cracked, ulcerative, blackish and brownish coated tongue, and the taste is metallic, sour, putrid taste. And why remember has aversions? Heavy foods, oily foods, fatty foods, and icy foods. All these ends with the end with Y. At the starting, I forgot to explain the physical and chemical properties of the acid group. All the acids are sour to taste, and all acids are corrosive, and they are colorless or light colored, and they are odorless. Some of them are acids are peculiar. Then remember the general modalities of the acid group has a story. Aggravated has when you are in a mental tension, when you are in anxiety, you will go to the night for relief, and you have cold drinks and cold foods and loss of vital fluids and loss of sleep, and you want to be rest, that is the amelioration, short sleep after eating and profuse discharges. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Help them to learn in a simple way of acid group remedies. Thank you for the watching.